It's the head cracker. And then the back of my head, the head cracker, and my knuckle cracker. How's that done?